In 2026, the American economy is evolving, and so are the ways we earn. Looking to boost your income? You don't need a second full-time job. Just the right side hustle to bridge the gap and gain financial freedom today. We're counting down 5 proven side hustles you can start right now to supercharge your bank. Account. First, AI-assisted content creation. Use modern tools to draft blogs and design graphics for brands in half the time. Businesses are hungry for fast, quality content, and they're willing to pay top dollar for your AI-enhanced productivity next. Try local micro-delivery. Use your vehicle to handle quick errands or grocery runs right in your own community. It's flexible, low stress, and helps your neighbors while padding your wallet every single day. Number 3, remote tech support for seniors. Many older adults need a patient hand to navigate new digital tools. You provide the connection. They get the confidence, and you earn a steady income helping people stay in touch. 4th is niche reselling. Hunt for unique vintage finds or designer items at local markets and thrift stores. Snap high-quality photos and list them online. One person's clutter is your next big profit margin, finally. Skill-based micro-tutoring. Turn your hobby, whether it's coding, cooking, or language, into short, digestible video lessons. Launch a Quick Start workshop and watch the enrollments roll in as students seek specialized, bite-sized knowledge. Ready to start? Create a week 1 plan. Consistency is the secret sauce to turning a side gig into a gold mine. Follow 3 simple steps. Research your market, set up your platform, and start marketing your unique value. The opportunities in 2026 are endless. With a little determination, you can build the financial future you've always dreamed of. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start your journey today and watch your income grow. You've got this.